Late na ako. Hindi na ako mapakita kay sir. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Aliana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see on the title, we are going to celebrate Physical Therapy Day 2026. Today is March 31 and the time right now is 10:15. Okay guys, so late na ako. Naburawat guys actually. I forgot to set up my alarm last night. Actually, yesterday, they said our call time is 7 and now it is already 10 o'clock and I am 3 hours late and I just missed the mass. Okay. Bahala na ako mo, hindi na ako mapakita kay sir. Hindi ako cancel ko. I'm going to grab my ID and then go.
Caught a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move.
Hi guys! So this is our meal for lunch. The same manok. Rice, cordon bleu, pasta, and ano ni gani? Beef steak? Beef steak? Beef. Okay. Day 1 ko ni. Day 1 ko ni guys, nahuya siya. Anong haggard? Day lang pa.
And I knew that I had to be with you.
Hi guys. Ari si Doggy to. Go Doggy hamon. Ladita ta tayo. Sigan pa.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Kamusta? Second sem. Nabi maglungkwat sa strata. Hi guys, so I brought ice cream, mango ice cream. Hindi sila gusto sa ice cream. Ano siya guys? Gasad girl. Ira.
Okay, toss coin. Sige. 5 sets niya.
Grabe siya
Ang
galing.
energy mo,
Ay!
5 sets.
Bibi ko gali guys. Cute. Ano ba?
Cooler. Sa iluwanin din.
Cute kay manong Joyland subong. May kano siya sa
Kasi
basket guys.
import ka.
You and I. Guns and roses. Guns and roses. We have to come to our senses. We can't do this anymore.
Go Michael! Go
It's
Cho!
way too expensive when we are at war. It should have been my La La Land, could have been my champion. You thought that I was like the man, now it's
Guys, so I'm here with Aliana. So she's preparing my hair for my game. So basketball siya guys. Masyagit ko para siya. Ausos. May fun. Ano? Hi kamo. Hi.
Balik? Oh!
Ano sila mga fan ko guys. So ano na sila. Mga nonchalant ko na pero very good na sila magtuon. Oh, hindi kami very Update is now 2:40 p.m. and basketball na siya. Basketball game na, guys.
O, si Parol, nag-iwan na pwede. Hoy, paanyo! Kasi dalagan lang pa! Jump ball! Sino kinauna, ha?
Del Gagio. Kita niyo siya sa ano.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Welcome to Aries Vlog. Kamusta ang circumstances? Ayoko. Ayoko na. Natananan ka. Ausos. Ausos. Super pagod na. Yeah.
Okay. So, mula ko lang kita sa...
Ah. That was crazy. Yeah. Video Joy si Tuza. Natabo sa nasa may school. May natabo sa nasa school. Like, ano kasi halin from the tinapas or like ano mabayo, di ba? Oo. Doon recycle na ano, kung ano lang available. Yay! Gracias, Trix! Tapos na sila, girl! Wala na? Napyo na siya, guys, si Trixie. Actually, simula nag-balik ang PPK. Yeah. May last year wala. Amo na first year. Kami nga bad na first year. Experience. Hindi na rin man di mga interns. Damo sila actually. Pero nagpuli na diba? Yeah. Ay, wala ka. Kamusta, game? Congrats! Woo! 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 Guys, biyaan ako nila, oh. Bye-bye! Bye, guys! Isa ka melon to. Nga 15. Thank you, guys. So, I am kind of thirsty right now. So, I bought this. Bago nag-apologize ako. We already know. It is now 5:25. I'm like 29, guys.
Highlights for activity using recycle.
Okay guys, so update is now 6:35 p.m. and it is still basketball game with the alumni. They're playing with the students versus the alumni. So medyo covered na ako sa book and dakod ang book. Nahuya lang dito yung mag-vlog dito sa book. Later, mahimo kami after the game. Tomorrow, April 1, it's the Wednesday. However, we have class in the morning. And I think I'm going back na sa gym. Guys, kami naman bilhin sa mo. Success! Okay, job well done, guys. Especially sa council. A big round of applause sa inyo. Sa mga classmates ko, that's mga batchmates ko. Mga juniors ko. Please, hindi na ko pag-imuno nga naglantaw ka mo sa vlogs ko. Okay? I don't know, I felt cringe. Ambot na huya lang ito, guys. Anyway, success siya, guys.
Caught a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you, and I didn't know what to do.